Oh, right here, man.
If you go too fast, you get good shots.
I know. Oh, right here.
There's more. Freestyle.
So what I'm going to do to get a still photo is I'm going to catch her, and I'm going to let her go right there and walk away. You can snap a shot.
Okay.
Did you give him that tip when I was coming down from the thing? No.
What's that?
No, we said no rush.
I had to hit the E-brake. You hear that? Pose. Pose for the camera. Off the move.
Pose.
There you go. Nice.
No,